You ever played poker before? There's a reason for this. So, stay with me. Stop scrolling. This is the video that could change everything for you. Have you ever struggled to make money online because the commissions were too low? Wondering how all the top earners scale fast without spending out of pocket? Want a system that pays you directly, instantly, with no middleman? True, today I'm exposing the truth behind Simple Freedom Warriors compensation plan, how it works, how it pays, and how you can scale using house money just like at a casino. Start for just $7, low risk, easy entry. Earn instant commissions, 50% paid directly to your processor, Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dodge, Zelle, Ethereum, etc. We got you. Upgrade from profits, meaning no out-of-pocket risk. Only scale your winnings. Stay with me because in the next few months I'm breaking everything down. Smash that like button now and let's dive in. Now I've been exactly where you are. I know the struggle, trying program after program only to hit roadblock after roadblock. And honestly, I had a job, so I was good. I didn't have to win. But then my wife, about 6, 7 months ago, got hit by a car on the way home from work, right in front of me. So the accident left with severe injuries, including fractures in her neck, C2, C6, and C7, a broken femur in her right leg, broken tibia and fibula in her left leg, and a subdural hematoma with a blood clot in her brain. And still, 6 months, 7 months later, she's still struggling to do the basic tests like get dressed, try to put weight on her foot, try to, learn how to get around in a wheelchair, trying to learn how to walk, to stand for a couple minutes, simple basic tasks that we all take for granted. Tomorrow is not promised. Anything could happen to any one of us. I'm not saying you can get hit by a car and hit the windshield and fly 25 feet like she did, but you could lose your job. Your radiator could go out on your car. Your car could get hit and, who knows, hit and run. Who knows what will happen? And who wants to be working till they're 70 trying to make money, trying to make it work when what we make now is not enough? So how is 40% of what you make going to be enough? And do you really want to be working till you're 60, 65, 70, 75? Now, we've wasted thousands on courses, coaches, and systems that never delivered. I spent months stuck in beginner mode with no mentorship and no real plan. I was overwhelmed, lost, and wondering if online income was just a pipe dream. Then everything changed. My wife got hit, and I knew I had to find the right system, and I had to put 150% into everything. Luckily, I found the right mentor and the right system. I found Simple Freedom Warriors, a system built on real mentorship, instant pay, and deep duplication. This is how to potentially get your first SFW sale in 24 hours or less. I followed the blueprint, I optimized my content, and I started seeing real results fast. Now, instead of struggling, I'm helping others to achieve financial freedom too. Now, this is your chance. Follow my path, get mentorship, and start making money online without guesswork. Smash that like button, drop a comment below, and let's keep going. So, the $7, this is what you get. There ain't no cookie cutter program. You get new memorization, disclaimer training, setup LLC, how to start marketing, set up Facebook. This isn't just your Facebook. This is setting up Facebook to win with, to be seen by other people, other marketers. Set up Instagram, set up YouTube, set up LinkedIn, set up X, set up Pinterest for making money online. Set up branded funnel, test your funnel, set up SFW affiliate funnel to earn 50%. These may seem like hard tests, but we show you exactly how to do it step by step, and we make it copy and paste simple. You just got to follow the training, stay consistent with it, and you will win. You start building your list, start building lead, traffic, and sales, just like I did. From here, you immediately start earning 50% commissions. And out of profit, you can scale to the higher levels. Right? These are the higher levels. We have low, mid, and high ticket. And then if we look at duplication for it, $3,000, and we have now a new system set up where you can get all in for a lot cheaper than this and earn 50%, which is $1,500 direct pay instantly. Now, wouldn't that help pay a lot of bills? Once you make the commissions at the lower level, use that money to level up. This is pure house money, meaning you never have to spend out of pocket to grow. Higher levels unlock bigger commissions, allowing you to scale fast. High ticket earnings, $515 maximum profits. Once you scale, you unlock high ticket commissions, meaning massive earnings with each and every sale. So you get a little bit of some low ticket, medium ticket, high ticket, and you keep building. Any business you can work with this. Okay, you'll learn how to build any business, and you plug your people into this system, and you make money on more than one system, right? This is why Simple Freedom Mornings works. You start small, scale fast, and earn big without financial risk. Drop a comment below. Tell me if this makes sense. Now, playing with house money. You played casino, right? This is the casino strategy. Think of this just like playing a casino. You start small, which is $7. Once you win, once you get commissions, use those earnings to play bigger. Each level unlocks higher earnings, okay? Funded by your winnings, your sales, not your personal money. Smart gamblers never go all in with their own cash. They play with house money. That's exactly how Simple Freedom Warriors works. You win, you scale, you profit. Imagine walking to the casino and getting handed free chips. You start small, win, and upgrade without using your own money. The risk stays low, but the rewards keep growing. This is how top earners scale fast. They never spend their own monies. They play with winnings. Smash that like button if this analogy makes sense. Let's keep going. Now I'm going to show you what our YouTube strategy looks like. Okay, affiliate mentor make $500 a day. As you can see, I am not signed in. These are real YouTube rankings. Okay, I'm only going to name our team videos for our team. Postcard Lifestyle, #1 video, because this doesn't count. This is an ad. Then #2 video, Mr. Orange Dream, another sponsored video. Guess who's #3? Make money online with JJ. That's me. Another sponsored video. And here's a big YouTuber that we ranked higher than him, okay? Affiliate Marketing MC. Okay. Going a little bit further, but we had the first 3 ranked videos. And I'm just ranking, checking out a simple video, okay? Now let's go. We got the top 3, but there's some big ass channels in here, okay? Like Wholesale Ted and Affiliate Marketing MC. These are some of these have massive views. But guess what? Mr. Dream, 61 views, 63 views, 55 views, okay? And I'm going to go with Affiliate Mentor Legit, okay? Again, I'm checking new videos each time. I don't know why it's giving me heck, but let's try it again. There we go. As you can see, this is live and stuff happens. So the shorts are the first recommended videos. We got 3 of the 5 shorts, top rated shorts, right? Then we have Postcard Lifestyle. Then we have Make Money Online with JJ. That's me. Michael De La Cruz, another team member. Make Money Online with JJ. Make Money Online with JJ. Postcard Lifestyle. Make Money Online with JJ. Postcard Lifestyle. Make Money Online with JJ. Siam, another team member. Here's another team member. Make Money Online with JJ. Me. Our team is winning. Our team is dominant. We have the best bonuses. We have the best training. We have the best system. Make Money Online with JJ. Make Money Online with JJ. Are you seeing how you could win with this? It doesn't, Mr. Orange Dream. Make Money Online with JJ. Make Money Online with JJ. You get these systems. And check it out. Is Affiliate Mentor legit? There is no Affiliate Mentor legit in this title. There is no Affiliate Mentor legit in this title. This one is. Okay? Affiliate Mentor Review. Look. So the more you put videos out, the more you rank for other terms. Does that make sense? We teach you how to make it copy and paste simple. Stop hesitating. Start for $7. What's the risk? You spend $7 for a Starbucks venti frappuccino. Earn up to $1,500 instant commissions. Upgrade as you go. 50% directly paid to a processor of your choice, whether it be Cash App, Litecoin, Doge, Zelle, we got you. Scale your profits, never spending out of pocket. Text me now at 775-460-7938. Click the first link in the description and join now. I'm going to show you one more thing before I bounce out. So let's recap. Stop hesitating. Start for $7, no risk. Earn up to $1,500 instant commissions paid to Cash App, PayPal, Venmo. We got you. Well, how do you get started? Text me now at 775-460-7938. Click the first link in the description and join now. And I wanted to show you something real quick. Again, I don't know where I left off because I forgot to play on my video, but probably somewhere around here, okay? So like the video, comment on the video, watch it in full. Subscribe, search for the video keyboard on YouTube and scroll till you find the members video. Creates organic search. Watch the video in full. You can watch 5 videos at a time. Like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notifications, and repeat this for 5 other members. Then you post your video. Imagine you're giving YouTube all they want and you're having people, everybody's subscribing, everybody's commenting, everybody's liking, everybody's watching the full video every single day. Imagine how fast you grow then. And then we have the reel. We have 4 different syndication groups, okay? We're giving you everything you need to succeed. Everything your team needs to succeed. You just plug them in the system and you grow your, whatever your opportunity is on autopilot. And you get paid instantly. And everybody gets paid, gets trained automatically, okay? Please create your social media accounts in the build phase. So in the group, you'll see reels for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. Pick a reel, like the video, comment on the reel, watch the reel twice so it gets a loop view. Repeat this for 5 other members, and then you post your video. Again, you're giving the algorithm everything they freaking want, and you're going to blow up. Now here's what you need to do. You're getting real mentorship, real results, real financial freedom. Smash that like button. It helps more people find this video. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another game-changing affiliate strategy. Drop a comment below. Tell me your thoughts, questions, or wins in affiliate marketing. Or your questions. Most important, click the first link in the description and join now. This is your chance. This is your freaking moment. Do not wait. This is Simple Freedom Warriors Compensation Plan. How to play with house money. This is John Solid, aka JJ Solid, aka your friendly neighborhood Solid Man. Don't delay. Get what Jay did today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.